Hello students, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook. So the first thing you want to do is open up your command prompt, just type CMD right here, and that's going to open up your command prompt. That would be right here. Click on that, and there you go. Let me move this guy down a little bit so you can see both these commands, and let me increase the size of the screen so you can see what I'm typing. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is let me just run the Jupyter Notebook first. So I'm going to type Python space -m space Jupyter space notebook, and I'm going to get an error because I do not have Jupyter installed right yet. And look at that, Jupyter command not found. I guess something like this. In your case, you may have some other error, but basically it's going to tell you that you don't have Jupyter installed. So let's install Jupyter. I'll be using this command right here to install Jupyter. All this command is responsible for installing Jupyter. So let's do that. So Python space -m space pip space pip space install and Jupyter. Or you can just say notebook. That's good enough too. Notebook. And hit enter. And just have patience. Depending on your internet speed, this could take anywhere between few seconds to few minutes. Let's see how long it takes in my case. Oh, that was quick. So I think, yeah, there you go. So, okay, this is good. And all right, that was quick. So it took like only a few seconds. So Jupyter Notebook has been successfully installed now. All right, so now what I'm going to do, let's verify if the Jupyter Notebook is running. So just type the same command again, the one I just did, which would be this right here. So I'm going to type this command, and that should start my Jupyter Notebook now. So come over here, and I'm just going to use the arrow key. This is the one, Python space -m Jupyter Notebook. So that should start my Jupyter Notebook. Hit enter. And this one actually start in this directory, C users hive. Whatever directory you started your Jupyter Notebook is gonna save all the file in that directory. Just be aware of that. Okay. And there you go. Jupyter Notebook has been successfully started. And I'm good now. This is, all right, this is good. So let me close this process now. All right. So coming back down here now, I'm gonna kill this process. So this process is still running. You hit Control C, and that's gonna kill the process. And I just hit Control C, and there you go. All right, so my process is dead now. Okay, and the reason I killed this process is because I want to start my Jupyter Notebook in a new directory. So let's do that. So let's go to my desktop. This is my desktop. Over here, I have a directory called Gemini, and let's go inside the Gemini. Let's say this is a project. So right click over here, and you're going to see Open in Terminal. So go ahead, open that, open this particular in Terminal, and that's going to open up that terminal inside that directory. You can see that now I'm desktop Gemini directory. All right, now let me just minimize the size of the screen, increase the size of this screen. There you go. And now I'm going to start my Jupyter Notebook in this directory. This way, whatever I saved is going to get saved inside that directory. That's why I'm doing this thing. -m space Jupyter space notebook. And that's it. Hit enter. And that's going to start my Jupyter Notebook. Now, everything that I saved in this Jupyter Notebook is going to be inside my desktop Gemini project. All right, there you go. Okay, so it's done. All right, so let's create a new folder, a new file real quick. So go to New, click on Python 3, ipykernel, and you're going to see Untitled. So by default, it creates a new file called Untitled right here. Let's just print something meaningful like hello. Let's just start with hello. This is the most basic one people they always start with. So let's go with hello. Print hello and prints out hello. Great. Okay, so it's working. Now let's save this file. So click on Untitled and let's call this thing as hello, uh, hello program. That's all. Hello program. All right, hello underscore program dot ipynb. All right, this is good. Click on rename and click on this button right here. This is for saving. Now, when you click on save, now that file has been saved. So if you go back to your directory, you will see the hello dot, there you go. You can see there hello underscore program dot ipynb. All right, so this is done now. So now let's say you close your process, close your Jupyter Notebook now, and close this process and come over here, kill this process, Control C. There you go. And now you can redo this thing all over again. So if you want, you can go back to your directory again, come back to this directory, right click, open up in a new terminal, and that's going to open up your command prompt in that terminal, in that directory, and type that command again, and that's going to open up your Jupyter Notebook. Come over here. Let me minimize this. All right, so I'll be running this command right here. So just type, that's the one, Python space -m Jupyter Notebook. There you go. And you should see that file now. The file that we just created, hello underscore program, that file is present over there now. And there you go. This is the program. So single click on this or double click. And there you go. This is the program. Now you can add stuff to that. You can say print. Let's just say something like x. Just come over here, say x equal to 6 and print out the value of x. And let's see what it does. And it runs great. All right. Now you can save it and close it and you're good to go. All right. Thank you, gentlemen.